you go for what you're looking for. Ruben is a great instructor. It's a key for the business. Well, my name is Juan Castro. I am from the Bay Area, San Francisco, and originally from Peru. 7 years ago, I took the full wrap, vehicle wrap. I would say I might erase what I learned 7 years ago. I decided to come back because to upgrade my knowledge. And so far, I'm having a great time, especially with Ruben. He's a great person. The new form that before I install something is new for me, and as a business owner, it's a key for the business. First day, it was a lot of theory that I remember. First time I came here was only like 4 hours, but this time was almost a full day. And then we have like an hour extra for cutting or to see how we're gonna start the next day. So about cutting and all that, it was a new techniques that I learned, definitely. I don't want to mention company names because probably they will tell you, to use a brand or a specific brand that they work with. But here's like, you go for what you're looking for. I used to use 3M. Definitely I will use this material, what I'm using right now, Avery, and it's because it seems like it's more easy to work with. It's more cold installation. Then we are not trying to use too much heat because you can stretch too much the vinyl, and which one we don't want that. I used to use only a torch, but now it seems like we use them both. We combine the electrical, the heat gun, and then torch. I learned that triangle cut. I learned the 2 inches pre-cut. It's a good thing. Before I used to cut around and see or guessing if, but no, it's not like I said earlier, Ruben is a great instructor. He becomes your friend for what we do and make you more comfortable to work with. You don't feel too much nervous, around the other students. So I think I'm super comfortable, and I'm happy to work with him. He's teaching you a lot of things, a lot of details which is important for me. We are right now three students, which is a little bit more probably intimate. So yes, it's pretty good. It's more like individual class. Definitely when I will apply what I learned, and I'm hopefully with my new ideas that I learned here, and definitely I will apply my ideas. So we will have more customers, and definitely I will have employees. So in the future I will send them. Well, my name is Juan Castro, and I am from the Bay Area, San Francisco, and I recommend Right Look if you're interested to learn about this business vehicle wrap. Right Look for you.
Hey, what's up, Right Lookers? As you see in front of us, we have the Scion XD that our students worked on this week. As you can see, we're out here in the sun to really show off this color. It's an amazing color. It's a candy apple green with some flake in it, some pearlization in it, matte. So that's an interesting texture, but hey, it works out for this car. And as you see right here, all the work's done by our students. Check out those corners. Not bad for the first time, right? Corners, edges, that's what matters in wrap. That's what people look for in wrap. And you see, they did a little different accents on this. We did a two-tone front end, or actually the car has some two-tone to it. It's got not only the green, but we have some black accents. We did that on the grill. We did it on the roof. Check out the roof. Now look at that. Look at those edges. That is what you want to look for when you're going in the wrap. You want to look for edges, how clean they are, how they're tucked in, and that's the reason why the finished product looks like paint. You see right there how tight they tuck these edges in. And our students come here to learn how to become professional installers, to be able to get clean results like that. You don't get that from DIY. You might eventually learn it on a DIY scale, but it takes a lot of trial and error, and we're not trying to waste money, we're not trying to waste material when it comes to learning something that's, you know, ultimately going to be your business, your main form of services and talent. So most of them don't have any experience. You know, only one of them actually, he came back from 7 years. He did the original vinyl class and he came back and he learned so much more this time coming around the second time, and he said it's going to be a great improvement on his business. So if you're ever thinking about joining our classes, feel free to contact us on the link below. Sign up on our online forum to get in touch with a rep. We're here to get you started on your journey to become professional certified vehicle wrap installation specialist. So thank you all and enjoy.